Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about sweet potatoes, and I have a list of tips and ideas that will hopefully help you out when you're using sweet potatoes. First of all, try potato pancakes with a mixture of white and sweet potatoes, and then top with an apple cranberry chutney. Doesn't that sound good? Or if you have leftover mashed sweet potatoes, add them to your usual pancake mix for breakfast the next day. Now, raw sweet potatoes will turn dark very quickly after they are cut, so it's best to wait to cut them until you're ready to use them. But if you have to cut them in advance, it's really easy. All you have to do is place your cut pieces in a bowl of cold water, and that will help to keep them from turning dark. How about trying a very simple dessert here with pureed, cooked sweet potatoes and bananas, maple syrup, and a dash of cinnamon or allspice. Top it with some chopped walnuts and you're good to go. Now, if you're low on sweet potatoes but you need them for a recipe, no time to go to the grocery store, there are things that you can substitute for them. Obviously, the flavor, the texture may be a little bit different, but the substitutes can work. You could substitute carrots for sweet potatoes, pumpkin, and winter squash like butternut squash, buttercup, and kabocha squash. Now, when you're storing raw sweet potatoes, it's best not to keep them in the refrigerator because when they get too cold, it can change how their starches are going to break down, make them a little bit tougher to cook and eat. This is according to the USDA. The ideal temperature for keeping sweet potatoes is around 60 degrees. Yes, that's on the cool side, so you may have to put them in your garage or in your basement, something like that. If you can't do that, well, you just use them up as quickly as you can when you bring them home. For a quick and easy meal, just take a whole cooked sweet potato, cut it in half lengthwise, top it with some leftover chili and some grated cheese or some black beans and salsa or baked beans or even scrambled eggs, and you're good to go. For your information, 1 pound of sweet potatoes will be about 4 cups chopped or sliced. Try adding mashed, cooked sweet potatoes to baked goods for added moisture without adding extra fat. Try spiralizing sweet potatoes and then saute them lightly and then top them with your favorite sauce or even your favorite sweet potato seasonings. That would be something a little different. Another thing you could do a little different with sweet potatoes is roast them in the Hasselback style where you've got lots of thin slices in there, and then when they're baked, then drizzle them with a little bit of maple syrup and maybe even a sprinkle of thyme. I do hope this helps you out. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.